Hello and welcome to your NAB Trade Earnings Season Top 3. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, NAB expects operating expenses in FY25 to be 4.5% higher, largely due to payroll issues, with remediation costs estimated at $130 million, revealing many staff members have been underpaid. In its June quarter update, NAB reported cash earnings of $1.77 billion. That's down 1% on the average of the prior two quarters, reflecting higher credit impairment charges. The bank booked $254 million in impairments, including $215 million tied to business lending in Australia and New Zealand and unsecured retail portfolios. Its net interest margin increased 8 basis points, with revenue for the quarter rising 3%. A2 Milk has reported a 21% jump in its profit to around 203 million Kiwi dollars for the full year. It'll provide a total dividend of 20 New Zealand cents per share. The dual-listed stock saw a 13.5% increase in annual revenue to 1.9 billion Kiwi dollars. The milk retailer seeing sales up more than 3% in China to a record despite ongoing supply constraints. It says it will focus on capturing full potential in the Chinese market for FY26 while expanding into adjacent categories and new markets. An audiovisual networking solutions company, Audinate, has seen its profit plummet, with underlying EBITDA for the full year coming in at $700,000 compared with $20.3 million the previous year. However, it says it returned to growth in the second half of FY25. The company expanded its gross margins to 82%, which it says reflects a product mix shift towards higher margin software solutions. It saw revenue of $40 million for the year, which was 33% lower on the previous year, and it achieved positive operating cash flow of 7.5 million Australian dollars with a cash balance of 110 million. Operating expenses increased by 6% to $50.5 million, which it says reflects ongoing investment in core capabilities and product innovation. For FY26, it expects gross profit growth of between 13 to 15% over the previous year. And that is your NAB Trade Earnings Season Top 3.